Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb Moffat. Guys, I think everybody knows you can cook eggs in a Dash Mini Griddle, but can you cook over easy eggs? Sometimes over easy eggs are hard to cook in a regular pan, but I thought I'd give it a try. In the little mini griddle, I put some coconut oil into the pan, grease it up, because even though it's non-stick, sometimes the food tends to stick. We're going to plug it in and see if we can cook it within about 3 or 4 minutes and have a nice over easy egg when we're done. I set the timer. We're going to be adding a little bit of salt and pepper and parsley flakes. I added way too much parsley flakes, but it came out okay. Now you can see the egg whites are firming up, getting nice and white. I've got this on triple time on the speed. Now after about 2 or 3 minutes, you're going to see the egg yolk in the middle start to get a little bit white around the bottom edge. And that's when we're going to add some water and close the lid for a couple minutes. We're going to let this steam. Now this is the first time I've ever done it, so I'm saying it. We're going to do this and do that. I don't know what's going to happen. We're hoping it happens, and we're waiting for the steam to come out. This will go by about 2 minutes. Like I said, it's on triple time. I've already got my toast ready to sop up the nice little egg yolk. It's still not as firm as I want and it hasn't been steaming hardly any, so we're going to let it go for another minute. Okay, it's starting to steam. The egg white is a lot firmer than it looks, and the egg yolk is still nice and runny, the way we want it for an over easy egg. This spatula is pretty thick. It would be good to get a really thin spatula that wasn't as stiff as this is. Okay. Now we'll pop the yolk. Make sure you unplug. And it looks like we're going to have a nice little over easy egg. So guys, give this a try with your mini griddle. I think you'll be able to do it no problem at all if you like over easy eggs. Don't forget to check out my other videos on food. I got about 18 years of food recipes on my channel. All right, guys, take care. See you out there. Martha, come in here. Do you see how much parsley he put on that thing? You call that an over easy egg?